Welcome. I'm here with Claudio Truzzi from Icity, and this is a live stream of DigitYser, the grand opening of DigitYser. So tell me, why is this project of DigitYser, why is it so important?
Oh, because this is a sort of a catalyst of everything happening in Brussels around digital technologies and digital transformation.
Yeah. And how are you contributing to this project?
I'm running the Icity.Brussels project, which is a joint VUB initiatives to make it super easy to Brussels companies to get access to 25 labs expert in digital technologies.
And they come here to work on these things, or?
I'm here to present, and then we meet with companies, and then go to the campus, work together, and generate innovation in digital technologies.
Okay, so use this place to bring people together and talk about these subjects.
Correct.
Okay, that's cool. Are you're also talking, doing a talk later?
No, but I'm presenting.
Oh, okay. All right, great. Thank you for coming, and I hope you have a great time here.
As you. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you.